Welcome to Bali, a land with rich traditions and unique cultural heritage. Among its most iconic heritage is the Barong dance, a traditional performance filled with symbolism and narrative depth. Let us together witness the journey of Barong as he confronts the forces of evil. The Barong dance narrates the eternal struggles between the two dominant forces in life. Barong is the embodiment of good, meanwhile Rangda, the demon queen, who symbolizes evil. Rangda, with her mystical costume and terrifying expressions, appears as a symbol of darkness and malevolence. Meanwhile, Barong, the magical lion protector, strives to shield the village and its people from the harm. This conflict between Barong and Rangda represents the concept of Rua Bineda, symbolizing two opposing yet inseparable forces of existence. The dance demonstrates that the good and the evil will always be present, but ultimately they must remain in balance. More than just a performance, the Barong dance is an integral part of Bali's spiritual life, reflecting the people's belief in cosmic balance. This dance is carefully preserved and remains Archery's cultural treasure of Bali, which also draws countless visitors from all around the world. So, when visiting Bali, don't miss a chance to experience the profound Barong dance firsthand. You can witness this performance at various of locations, mainly at Batu Bulan Art Village, Kasiman Art Village, Arma Museum, and Tanah Kila Pemogan, Denpasar. Thank you for watching and see you again in another rich Balinese cultural experience.
Start your next trip with Bali Sundaram Shuffle!